Dice gambling is one of the oldest and simplest betting games, but TrustDice has taken it to another level by offering crypto-based betting, customizable risk settings, and a provably fair system. If you are looking for a fast-paced, exciting, and strategic game where you control your bets, payouts, and odds, TrustDice's Bitcoin Dice game is the perfect choice. In this video, I will guide you through how TrustDice's dice game works, the best betting strategies to maximize your wins, how to use the play-to-mine feature to earn crypto while playing, how to verify your bets using the provably fair system. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to start winning more consistently and get the most out of TrustDice's dice game. Let's get started. The rules of TrustDice's Bitcoin Dice game are incredibly simple, but there are many ways to customize your bets to fit your playstyle. Step 1. Set your win probability. Choose the number range you want to bet on. The higher your win probability, the lower the payout. The lower your win probability, the higher the potential payout. Step 2. Place your bet. Enter the amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or other supported cryptocurrencies you want to wager. Step 3. Roll the dice. If the result falls within your chosen range, you win. If it falls outside, you lose the bet. One of the best features of TrustDice's Bitcoin Dice game is that it lets you customize your strategy based on your risk tolerance and betting goals. Now that you understand how the game works, let's go over the best strategies to improve your results. Strategy 1. Low-risk consistency method. Set your win probability high. Aim for a 70 to 90% win rate to keep winning small amounts consistently. Use small, frequent bets. This keeps your bankroll safe while allowing for steady profits. Cash out winnings regularly. Do not let greed make you increase bet sizes unnecessarily. This strategy works well for long-term play and allows you to earn consistent winnings over time. Strategy 2. The martingale system. Start with a small bet. If you lose, double your bet until you win. Return to your original bet after a win. This ensures you recover losses and make a small profit. Be careful with long losing streaks. Have a maximum bet limit to avoid wiping out your balance. This method works well when paired with a high win probability setting. However, it requires discipline and proper bankroll management. Strategy 3. The high-risk, high-reward play. Set a low win probability. Bet on multipliers of 10x, 20x, or even higher for massive wins. Use small stakes. Since losses will be frequent, only bet what you can afford to lose. Patience is key. Do not chase losses. Stick to your strategy and wait for the big win to hit. This strategy is perfect for players who enjoy high-risk betting and are looking for massive payouts rather than consistent small wins. One of the biggest advantages of playing on TrustDice is the play-to-mine feature, which lets you earn TXT tokens while playing. How it works. Every bet you place contributes to mining TXT tokens. The more you play, the more TXT you earn. TXT tokens can be used for staking, trading, or even cashing out for real money. This feature is exclusive to TrustDice and turns every bet into an investment, allowing you to build long-term value while playing your favorite dice game. TrustDice is a provably fair casino, meaning every dice roll is 100% verifiable and cannot be manipulated. How to verify your bets? Click on the provably fair link in your game history. Use the hash and seed information to check if the roll was truly random. Compare the results with an independent verification tool to ensure fairness. This system guarantees that TrustDice games are transparent, giving players full confidence that they are betting in a fair environment. TrustDice's Bitcoin Dice game is more than just a simple betting game. It is a fully customizable, strategic gambling experience where players have control over their odds and payouts. It is fast, easy to play, and highly customizable. It offers fair, verifiable gaming. It has a play-to-mine feature that rewards you while playing. It supports multiple cryptocurrencies, making transactions fast and secure. If you are ready to start winning and earning crypto while playing, click the link in the description and try TrustDice's dice game today. Who knows? Your next roll could be the one that hits big.